Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check in with Air China. All right, let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Air China. Click on the official website from the search results to access the homepage. Once you are on the site, select your country and preferred settings if prompted. Then proceed to the main page. Click on the check-in feature and then select check-in to proceed. This is where you will begin the check-in process. Make sure you have your required details ready, including your ticket number or passport number. Enter your ticket number or passport number in the appropriate field. Then, type in your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your booking. You will also need to provide your flight number to continue. After entering all the required information, click on Continue to Proceed. Follow the instructions to select your seat and complete the process. Once finished, download or save your boarding pass for your flight. So that's basically how you can check in with Air China. That's it for this video. Thanks.